When you lose your biggest or the most awaited sale, I know the level of the pain you are having because I have gone through the same meal. But I will show you how you can quickly recover and shine like a star. Stay with me. A sales career is just like a roller coaster. There are many ups and downs. Some of the stuff you can't control at all. But when you lost your biggest sale, follow these 3 steps. Failures teach us very powerful lessons. You can't learn this from a college or a university. If you put your attention and learn from them, the rest of your life will be a fortune. Imagine you lost the sale because of your price. The lesson is you are lacking the skills of justifying your price, or you are lack of showing more value than the monetary value. So you have to improve them. If you have lost the sale to your biggest competitor, you may be lacking building a strong relationship with your prospect. You have to develop them. See, you can come up with a lot of excuses and can point the finger for the others. Remember, all the top performers in the sales arena have done various mistakes in their sales careers, but they learn from them and moved forward. Sales are just like buses. When one is gone, another will come. Therefore, when you lose a sale, you should not take it personally. Most importantly, you have to isolate your relationship with that sad incident. Don't blame him saying you did the hard work. Don't accuse him saying he wasted your time. Don't criticize him saying he betrayed you. Because you know why? Now you know him better than the person who never tried. Be happy about it. Maintain your relationship just like your best friend. Correct your mistakes. Mark my words, you will get more than 10 times than your loss. After doing all the hard work, when you lose a sale, it's very painful. That's a human nature. In a situation like this, the negative vibes are around us. We tend to blame ourselves, bosses, colleagues, its spouses, and even the God or the universe. Universe or the God, whoever the creator you believe is very fair, never does any injustice for anyone. You lost this sale because the universe wanted to save you from a big trouble, or the universe wanted to teach you a powerful lesson to make your life a very successful one. Therefore, thanks to the universe for the things happen. Remember these 3 steps. Number 1, ask what is the biggest lesson it taught you. Number 2, isolate the client relationship with that incident. Number 3, thanks to the universe. Alright, if this is helpful, please share this video with another person. And I will see you soon. Good luck. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video, read below information and subscribe to my channel. I will offer you more videos like this to improve your sales and to grow your business. Have a great day.